cooking a big event for tomorrow in China. If rumors are to be believed, the Chinese giant will unveil the new Mix Fold 3, the new Redmi K60 Ultra, and a Pro variant of the Band 8, as well as a massive 14-inch 2-in-1 Pad 6 Max 14 Android tablet. Xiaomi has shared new promo images for the tablet, revealing more specs. The Pad 6 Max 14 will have a massive 14-inch 144Hz LCD screen, which is 62% bigger than the 11-inch panel of the Pad 6 and Pad 6 Pro. The Pad 6 Max will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with a massive heat dissipating vapor chamber of 15,839 mm². There will be a massive 10,000 mAh battery, which supports 67 watt fast charging and 33 watt reverse charging, so you can use it as a power bank. It is flaunting its S1 G1 Surge chip, which is used for battery management. Xiaomi Pad 6 Max 14 will have an 8-speaker system that will make it great for multimedia consumption. With a massive 14-inch display and built-in features like 4-way split screen, the tablet will also be a good PC replacement. There's no word on the pricing of it, and really hope at least Xiaomi can give 3 years of Android updates, not Xiaomi MIUI updates.